In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve word problems involving addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction word problems essentially are about having and not having. So I'm going to look for having words, and I'm also going to look for not having words. Let's look at the first problem. It says, Fred found 39 seashells on the beach. He gave Mike 21 of the seashells. How many seashells does he have now? So I'm looking for keywords. So I see the word gave. I'm also looking for numbers. So I see found 39 seashells. I also see 21. So gave is a not having word because if I have something and then I gave it to someone else, that means I'm losing. So not having means subtraction and having means addition. So I'm going to subtract 39 minus 21, and that gives me 18. So my answer is 18 seashells. Let's look at number two. Benny picked. So picked is a key word because that shows me getting or having. Picked 35 plums, and Tom picked 44 plums. So he has having of plums. From the plum tree, how many plums were picked in all? So when I see the word all, that means together. So that's going to be 35 and 44 together. So I'm going to add 35 plus 44, and that gives me 79. So 79 plums were picked in all. Let's look at number three. There are 36 oak trees currently in the park. Park workers will plant 45 more oak trees today. How many oak trees will the park have when the workers are finished? Let's look for keywords and numbers. So I see 36, I see 45 in the park. So there are 36 oak trees in the park. So it's 36 having of oak trees in the park. Park workers will plant 45 more. So if there are 36 and they plant more, they're going to plant, it's going to be having more trees. So that means I'm going to add. So 36 plus 45 equals 81. Let's look at number four. Fred has 31 balloons. He gave Benny 18 of the balloons. How many red balloons does he have now? So I see as Fred, there's Benny. So I see he has, so that's having 31. Then gave, this is not having. So I'm going to be doing subtraction because it says he gave Benny 18. How many red balloons does he now have? So 31 minus 18 gives me 13. Let's look at number five. Dan grew 46 carrots. Tim grew 35 carrots. How many carrots did they grow in all? So we have Dan, we have Tim. Tim grew 46 carrots. So he grew them, he has them. He didn't do anything with the 46 carrots. Tim grew 35 carrots. So he has them still. So now they want to know how many carrots did they grow in all? So in all tells us to add. So 46 plus 35 is equal to 81. Okay, let's look at number 6. Sarah has 43 pennies in the bank. She spent 16 of her pennies. How many pennies does she have now? So I see here that she had, that's a key word. She doesn't have it anymore because she spent 16 of her pennies. So she gave pennies away. So not having means subtraction. How many pennies does she have now? So 43 minus 16 is equal to 27. Number 7. There are 24 scissors in the drawer. Mike placed 29 more scissors in the drawer. How many scissors are now there in total? So there are 24 scissors. Says there are 24 scissors. So it has 24 scissors. Mike placed 29 more. So it's now going to be having more scissors in the drawer. How many scissors are now there in total? So we see that word total. That tells us that we have to add. So 24 plus 29, 13. So we have 53. You do number 8. You can pause the video and then come back. Okay, so you saw this has 43 books. Dan has 43 books. Jason has 18 books. How many books do they have together? So we have to add 43 plus 18 gives us 61. So Dan and Jason have 61 books together. You do number 9. Jones High School played 43 football games this year. She attended 18 games. How many football games did Joan miss? So let's start out with what we know. We know Jane played, Jones High School played 43 football games. She attended 18. So she didn't attend all of them. 18 is the total amount that she attended. So that means she didn't go to all of them. So she missed some. So if she missed some, that means she doesn't have she wasn't able to attend all of the games. So miss is telling us that it's subtraction. So 43 minus 18 gives us 25. And let's do the last one. You can pause the video. Benny has 38 baseball cards. Fred bought 26 of Benny's baseball cards. How many baseball cards does Benny have now? So if Fred bought 26, that means Fred doesn't have those 26 anymore. So he lost them. He's not having the 26 that he bought. So that's going to be subtraction. So 38 minus 26 is 12. So this is how you can approach answering word problems that involve addition and subtraction. Good luck.